It's a 2016 Honda Civic. With an energetic and unmistakable exterior, this thoughtfully designed Civic never plays catch-up. Continuing to push the boundaries of automotive engineering, this sedan's power steering and rear suspension offer greater handling for a more pleasurable drive. Surround yourself in safety with a multi-angle rear-view camera and vehicle stability assist with traction control. Plus, it's full of convenience features like climate control, LED daytime running lights, Eco Assist system, and an electric parking brake with automatic brake hold.
Select the perfect temperature with climate control. See objects previously out of sight with a rear-view camera. The sunroof gives you fresh air for your drive.
Climb inside this overachieving Honda Civic. Drive yours home today.
Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 330 Woodruff Road in Greenville, South Carolina.